is perhaps the most exciting action camera bundle. This is Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Flash Print Bundle.
Let's open the box. Ta-da! The pocket printer with one set of photo paper cartridge, Ace Pro 2, the action camera of course, Xplorer Grip Pro Kit, which includes the external battery, flip screen hood, and a nice camera bag.
So in 2026, I think you guys probably want a new nice action camera that can capture all your outdoor activities and also print as well. So everything that I want to recommend is in this cute little bag. So now I have Ace Pro 2 Flash Print Bundle. So this is the pocket printer and it goes with the Xplorer Grip Pro, and all I need to do is just slide in. So now I have this mega action camera, Insta360 Ace Pro 2 in the Flash Print Bundle. So right now in the outdoor, I actually have no problem seeing the display. It's beautiful. The color is absolutely gorgeous. But since with the action camera, you probably want to take it to your summer vacation, where you get very, very strong sunlight. So in this Flash Print Bundle, you actually get this flip screen hood. So with the flip screen hood, this is what you get. And behind you get the 3M sticker that sticks onto the display here. Alignment tool and one application kit. You get like the screen wipe, cloth, and dust removal sticker. This goes in. And it should guide you by taking this off. So now I have the flip screen hood. And now I can see the screen beautifully. Hey!
And if you want more direct access to the screen, then you can always take the flip hood off.
You can take it off. And inside the bundle, it comes with one set of the paper cartilage. So this has 10 papers. So you can see the shape matches. Okay, so I need to remove this and slide it in. So now the cartilage is inside and you can buy them separately. So one set of 10 paper, it comes with the bundle and you can get a separate box. In this box, it says 2 color ribbon and 2 photo paper.
To connect to the pocket printer, you just need to go into the Bluetooth and you will see the pocket printer. Turn on the pocket printer and here it's connected. Let me take a photo and print it out. Let me quickly check my photo. I like it, so I'm gonna print it out.
Sort of went in. Hopefully it's gonna come out again. And now it says, please take the printed photo before starting a new photo.
And now the memory is captured in a real photo printout. I love this pocket print because you can choose what to print. And here is the result of another photo taken under sunshine. So far you have seen me enjoy using Xplorer Grip Pro Kit. This comfortable all-in-one grip with built-in 2010 mAh battery. It attaches directly to Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and it features 2 wheels to easily zoom and adjust color profile in my case, but you can change it to adjust exposure and so on. And just to say, Ace Pro 2 is actually really good for 2x zoom, as you can see here.
And now I want to show you 3 lenses that may upgrade your Ace Pro 2.
And they are ultra wide angle lens, cinematic lens, and close-up lens. And they come in a beautiful, nice, high quality rubbery case for protection. Now this is Ace Pro 2 4K resolution shots. You can go up to 8K resolution with Ace Pro 2. And now this is with a cinematic lens that enjoys the ratio of 2.35 to 1. And if you use the cinematic color profile like Leica color profiles, then you can really get some cinematic shots. Let's enjoy some compilation of what I took, but I'm sure you can do even better. The Ultra lens makes Ace Pro 2 even wider, from 157 degrees all the way to 189 degrees, so that I have to even be careful in positioning my hand. It's super duper wide, which means it's so useful when you are self-vlogging. So this is with the ultra wide angle lens, and it works really well. And I'm just holding my arm like folded. So I only have my arm like this. This is it. Very natural, and you can get such a wide angle. And you're hearing me directly from the speaker here. This is just like at half arm's length. Imagine if this elevator has a lot of people, you don't want to become a nuisance to the public, and with this ultra wide angle lens at 189 degrees, you get like beautiful view. And back to the cafe. That's for lovely. Now let me change into the close-up lens. With the close-up lens, I'm gonna get extremely closer to the subject, which was not possible with other action cameras out there. But with a close-up lens, Ace Pro 2 can go much closer to the subject. This is the comparison with and without close-up lens. You can see the difference in the focus of the cup. The standard lens of action camera, they are not the best when it comes to the close-up shots, but with the additional close-up lens sold separately, you can now enjoy a close-up shot with Action Pro 2, the action camera. Now let me show you some art, and you can really see the detail that comes out only with the close-up lens. The detail is beautiful, and it can do so much more than what a standard action camera can do. As the final segment of this video, I want to introduce two accessories that would be very handy with any Insta360 cameras out there. The first of this is the mini power handle. It enjoys 4,800 mAh battery, which you can use while you're filming something with Insta360 Ace Pro 2 or Insta360 Go Ultra or other cameras as well. You can enjoy mini power handle with Xplorer Grip Pro Kit or without, just Ace Pro 2 standalone camera. And it works really well as a mini tripod as well.
And the final new accessory that I want to show you guys that actually goes with pretty much any Insta360 cameras out there is this power neck mount. So this is what you get. So now let me install it. It comes with this like plastic, like this. It just stays by the neck. Let me get my camera out from this beautiful little bag. This is super cute. And also one touch take off. Can you see the camera? The camera is sort of right by my chin. And the great thing about this adapter is that there is the cable.
The power neck mount, it also enjoys 4,800 mAh, which means the camera can last a very long time. This is the footage that I got while the camera was on the power neck mount.
And it comes with other necessary accessories as well, so it actually adapts to pretty much any cameras out there. So I'm having a lot of fun with Insta360 Ace Pro 2 with all these new accessories that's really like making it into like Transformer. It has everything that you want from like the Polaroid camera because it's printable. And this Pocket Print, of course, it connects to your Insta360 app. So you can just connect it to your app and print out any other photos from any other action cameras of Insta360. And all these bundles, they go in nicely in this tiny bag. So it's not that troublesome to carry this set, the bundle set, in this tiny little travel-friendly bag.
And the great news is that there is the big spring sale. The first 10 orders will get an exclusive 20% discount, save up to $120, as well as a free mic air. So don't miss out the biggest discount of the season to upgrade your gear in 2026. And I'll be back with other interesting gadget reviews, so see you!